Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen Jake. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of the newest product from SONOFF, the SONOFF ORB 4-in-1 Smart Scene Button. Before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to SONOFF for sending me this product to be reviewed. Disclaimer, even if our friends from SONOFF sent me this product to be reviewed, I will be 100% honest to whatever I think, what are the pros and the cons of it. And before we proceed, again, I would like to give thanks to our friends from SONOFF for sending me this product. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button down below. Also, if you have other queries, suggestions, or anything under the sun you want to tell me, just comment it down below. And without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review of the SONOFF ORB 4-in-1 Smart Scene Button. Here's the box for the SONOFF 4-in-1 ORB Smart Scene Button. On the front, you can see the certified Zigbee badge. It also mentions e-support, works with everything. The product name Zigbee Smart Scene Button is clearly labeled. Turning to the bottom, there's a list of more features. On the top side, there's a visual recommendation showing how this ORB button works with other SONOFF devices. Finally, on the back, there are warnings and more detailed product specifications. Let's open it up. Inside the box, you get one ORB 4-in-1 Smart Scene Button, one mounting base, one manual, one strip of double-sided 3M tape, two mounting screws, and that's it. Taking a closer look, here is the button together with the mounting base. The model number is SNZB01M. It uses the IEEE 802.15.4 Zigbee protocol. The working temperature range is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, and the humidity tolerance is 5 to 95% relative humidity, which is non-condensing. The unit weighs about 53 grams with battery installed, and its dimensions are 50 millimeters in diameter and 25.5 millimeters thick. The casing is made of polycarbonate. On the compatibility side, it supports Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, Alice, Sber, IFTTT, and especially my favorite, Home Assistant. It also has a tactile indicators to help you feel the individual buttons. To open the button, you rotate the back cover using a coin. This is per the manual. Inside, you'll find a CR2477 coin cell battery. There's a small slide switch that lets you toggle between the Zigbee mode and the eWeLink remote mode. In Zigbee mode, basically the button connects to a Zigbee gateway and acts as a sub-device for scene creation. In eWeLink remote mode, it pairs with an eWeLink remote gateway. The back cover is magnetized so it snaps back easily and easily connects to the base mount. To power it on, simply pull the battery tab. Application setup. Now, for the app setup, according to the manual, you should scan a QR code on the back of the button, but in my case, that didn't work, so I contacted SONOFF support. Instead, I used the SONOFF Zigbee Hub. I opened the Zigbee section in the eWeLink app. Select Scan for Devices and the ORB button connected almost instantly. Once added, I could see its battery status and other settings. Next, I integrated it with Amazon Alexa. I map actions for all 4 buttons: single press, double press, long press, and hold, and built more than 10 different routines and scenes using just this smart button. I decided to mount the ORB button on the wall in my kitchen. It feels natural to reach and looks clean. It's also conveniently close to the door leading to the master's bedroom. Now, let me show you how I'm using each of the 4 buttons. First button, which I assigned to the kitchen area. Long press turns off all the kitchen lights.
Turning off kitchen lights.
Single click turns all kitchen lights on.
Turning on kitchen lights.
Double click turns off the main kitchen light but leaves the coffee corner and the down light on.
Turning on mood light only.
Second button, I assigned it to all the lights except the bedroom. Single click turns on all the lights except those in the bedroom.
Turning on kitchen, dining, living room, hallway lights.
Double clicks dims lights to 50% and turns on the Christmas tree lights.
Setting the lights to chill mode.
Long press turns off all the lights.
Living, dining, hallway, kitchen, hallway lights turning off.
So third button, I assigned it to the robot vacuum cleaners. So I have 3 RoboVacs inside our house. So the double click, it starts the living room and workroom vacuums.
Initializing the 2 living room robot vacuums. House cleaning except bedroom commencing.
And finally, the fourth button, I assigned it to the curtains. So single click opens both curtains, double click, it closes it.
Commencing curtains opening. Commencing closing all curtains.
So now let's proceed to the pros and to the cons. So first is the pros. First pro is 4 programmable actions from single, double, long press, and hold. It also does support dual protocol from the Zigbee and the eWlink remote, either. And next is integrates with Home Assistant, which is very important if you want local integration. Next is supports touch-link binding, so it can control Philips Hue and IKEA bulbs. Next is truly wireless, so it is battery powered, so it's very convenient. So you can put it anywhere or bring it anywhere inside your house. Next is flexible installation, so since it is magnet and tape, so you can mount it anywhere you want. Next is very versatile control for devices and scenes. Next is compatible with many ecosystems. So just I have said earlier, it can support Alexa A, Google Home, IFTTT, etc., etc. And finally, let's proceed to the cons. So the 2 cons that I had encountered is that first is the manual QR code pairing didn't work for me. So I contacted SONOFF about this and they said they will address this matter and then fix it. So maybe in the future or when this video is published, I think they have fixed this already. And then the second con is that in Home Assistant, since all my other Zigbee devices are just sensors, so thermo hygrometers and take sensor and windows. So I don't really have other Zigbee devices such as bulbs, so I cannot really use this button as controlling a scene. It is stuck with the Zigbee devices only to be controlled. I also raised this concern to SONOFF, so they said they will address and provide a solution for this in the near future, and maybe in this release of this video, this will be fixed. And that is it. In summary, the SONOFF 4-in-1 ORB Smart Scene Button is a really powerful little device for smart home automation. If you have a Zigbee gateway or use eWeLink, this gives you a ton of flexibility with just one button. The setup wasn't perfectly smooth for me, but once it's working, it's a very reliable and useful tool for controlling lights, devices, and routines. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like, subscribe for more smart home content, and drop a comment below on how you would use this button in your own smart home setup. I think that is it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.